Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial. Ooh, look at that lighting. Tutorial number 4 on the Huetopian Dream. Am I at 4? I think so. To be quite honest, I am doing 3 different tutorials right now. Palette focuses. So I may be a little all over the place, but it is currently September. I'm pretty sure when you see this, it's going to be February of 2024. This is how early I'm doing these tutorials to get it all out. But here we are on tutorial number 4. I just got back from the gym. It's still hot. My pre-workout is still kicking in. But for the most part, so far, I'm loving this palette. Like I said in the last video, this and this really changes the hue of this palette. It changes the color story dramatically, which is beautiful. That's all I want to say. So today I really want to do something simple. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a bronze moment maybe with this, and maybe this and this. I don't know. This, I mean, it's a trio chrome. It's beautiful. I'm trying to do as many looks as I can, being inspired. In person, this is so beautiful, but on camera, like, it just kind of looks a little subdued for some reason, a little bit vibrant. And also when it comes to editing, depending how you edit, it really amps it up or tones it down, which is actually really nice. So without further ado, let me go ahead and prep my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer and have some coffee. We'll get right into this tutorial. All right, so eyes are prepped. The lighting is really good, but it keeps going, the clouds keep moving. So first and foremost, let us go in with, let me do the extreme mahogany. I think that's what it was. This one. Let me go ahead and do a big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add that into the crease in the outer corner and just really begin to buff it out. Like I said, I do want to keep this look very simple. Ooh, that's actually really nice. I noticed with these shadows, depending on what type of brush you use, you get a different type of intensity, impactness, I guess you could say. But I'm using, I think this is a concealer brush from It Cosmetics, but it really helps to just really buff everything out. So, keeping it like that. So, how's everybody doing? Anyways, let me go ahead and go into, like I said, my pre-workout's still kicking in, and I'm like all over the place right now. But let me go ahead and go with the MAC brush and just begin to add a little bit of focus on the outer edges. This has a little bit of like a plum hue to it, because she really did go through a lot of plum phase. Because in the holiday collection Celestial Nirvana or Divinity Odyssey, those quads had some plums in them, which are beautiful. The what is it, the Bridgerton palettes as well. It's just a lot of plum. Like I said, it's September right now, so holiday is about to come out, and I saw some more plums in the Mega Mothership face and eye palette, which is interesting, to say none the least, but we'll see. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and really start edging out the crease basically, and adding as much intensity as I want, just to get it up to the intensity that I need. Because I think after this we're gonna do the bronze all over the lid. We're gonna keep this very simple today. Try to at least. I'm just going with the concealer brush just to really buff out those edges. Perfect. This is where we are at. Actually, for the brow bone, do I want to do this one? No. For the brow bone, I'm going to go with the Skin Show Nude. I'm just going to do that now. And I think I will use the Skin Show as the highlighter on the face. Maybe, possibly, we shall see. But this is just such a beautiful... All of her Skin Show nudes are just so beautiful. Actually would not mind a palette of just all the Skin Show nudes, to be quite honest. In a cardboard packaging, maybe for like 45 euros. I don't want to, I was going to say dollars, but I'm not in the US anymore. But just really start to add a little bit more depth to the outer V of the eye. And just blend, blend, blend to the intensity you want. A little bit on the lower lash line. I have the windows open because it's a little bit warm. Perfect. And I think with this, all right, there we go. Now going into the bronze. Oh, this is such a beautiful bronze. And just put that all over the lid. Oh, this truly is a moment. This is like a, it's not a bronze, but it's a bronze for sure. Oh, just really using the fingers, the warmth of the finger to really just melt it in. Gosh, that is beautiful. And the sparkles in this do not disappoint. And I'm kind of using it to go right up into this area and kind of just up into the brow bone, like literally whatever is left, just to have that seamless aspect. Oh, this is so beautiful. And then going back in with that extreme on the outer edges. I got like laundry going right now. I'm doing 3 different types of palette focuses right now. Like I am multitasking. And I had a herniated disc. Still have it. Still thriving. Gosh, I do not recommend it. But yeah, this is literally the look. So let me go ahead and put on some mascara and we will see where we are at so far. And then obviously you will see the final look. Be back in a moment. All right, so this is where we are at. I went ahead and did the PermaGel liner in black, extreme black on the waterline, and I just went ahead and ran the mahogany just right down here. Is it extreme mahogany? I don't know, I'll post it somewhere. Just to give it really more of that sultry look. But as of right now, I'm actually really digging this. Oh, gorgeous. Going in with the SOS primer by Clarins to minimize the sign of fatigue. But look at this. This is such a beautiful, beautiful summer palette, that's for sure. But I figured I'd bring it in now to bring a little bit of life. So Pat McGrath does have a lot of bronze shadows in her palette, in her portfolio, that's for sure. But they just always seem to just get more succulent and just more different and more divine and very celestial-y. This is almost like a copper kind of bronze with specks of sparkle, that's for sure. But let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm still going strong. Milk primer with the LM14. I also have, oh, this is such a problem having a beard. I have LM11 when I start to get more into my winter color, that's for sure. But in the summer, I get all the way up to M18. So you can really tell how much tan I really do get. So that's always a plus. But I really need to prime this face because of the beard breaking out a little bit. Life is happening. Oh, the struggle. But you guys will see the final look in a few moments. All right, so this is the final look that I got going on. Oh, oh. Supermodel and Opulus Pale Fire Nectar. Becca for the brows. The Skin Show Nude from the palette as my highlighter. Divine Glow Bronze. Divine Bronze. What was it? Bronze Dawn? No. Desert Glow as my bronzer. And for blush, I actually went into Night Bloom. With this brush, it like really treads very nicely. Like this blush brush really adds it on like very subtle. Okay, that's a little too much. But then I just go right back in. And I go right back in. So yeah, tutorial number 4 of the Huetopian Dream. LM14 for concealer and foundation. Look at that one. Look at that guy right there. Oh. So yeah, I mean, there's Charlotte Tilbury for the setting spray, Anastasia Beverly Hills for the setting spray, but the eyes, oh my gosh, that bronze is just golden. I'm like really digging this palette more and more. It's one of those palettes that really have to grow on me because I mean the color story is very redundant. It's very the same to a lot of the other palettes she has, but it has its moments that are very beautiful. So tutorial number 4, obviously quite a few more to come. More, yeah, a lot more to come. But oh, that Night Bloom is just so, I know I did a video of the blushes when I first got them and that Night Bloom was heavily pigmented, but it really depends on the type of brush you use. I think I use this one, which is a lot more compact compared to the Pat McGrath one. So obviously it's going to have a different finish. But I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I will see you next video, but if you want to see the final edits, close-up, skin show, sublime perfection foundation and concealer, I've been using light a lot to really under the eyes, all over the face a little bit, to really tone down a lot of things because I know the medium is a little too dark. So for the 18, it's perfect, but yeah. So hope you guys are enjoying this. I'll see you next video.